Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a banana splits cake. It's layers of banana cake, and between each layer has a different flavor. It's got strawberries and whipped cream, pineapple and whipped cream, hot fudge topping and peanuts, and it's garnished with more whipped cream, more peanuts, sliced bananas, and maraschino cherries. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then through a sifter into a large bowl, add the flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and salt, and sift the ingredients into the bowl. Then whisk them together until they're combined. Then add in the shortening, buttermilk, mashed overripe bananas, eggs, and vanilla extract. Mix the ingredients with an electric mixer on low speed until they're combined. Then once they're all combined, beat it on a medium speed for 3 minutes. Don't beat it on high speed. Then finish it by hands to make sure all the ingredients are mixing in. Grease 2 9-inch round cake pans with non-stick cooking spray. Line each pan with a circle of parchment paper. Then grease the parchment paper. Then divide the batter evenly between each pan. And bake them in the oven for about 23 to 28 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Then once they're done, remove them from the oven and let them cool completely. To make the whipped cream, in a small or medium bowl, add the heavy cream and sugar. Then whip it with an electric mixer until it reaches soft peaks. Try not to reach stiff peaks. Then add about half of it into a separate bowl. Then chop up the strawberries into small pieces. Then add them into one of the bowls and mix them in until they're combined. Then drain a can of crushed pineapple. Make sure you drain it really well because you don't want it to change the consistency of the whipped cream. You can use a spoon to push most of the liquids through. Then measure out half to 3/4 of a cup and add it into the other bowl of whipped cream and mix it in until it's combined. Once your cakes have cooled completely, level off the tops and cut them in half too. You can use a serrated knife if you don't have a cake leveler. Then remove the trimmed tops, we won't need them in this recipe. Place the bottom layer of one of the cakes onto your serving plate. and add on the strawberry whipped cream and spread it out to the edges. Try and make it as even as possible. You don't want it thicker in the middle and thinner around the edges. Then add on the next cake layer and add on the pineapple whipped cream and spread it out to the edges, again trying to make it as even as possible. Then add on the top layer of the next cake upsides down onto it and spread on half a cup of warmed hot fudge sundae over the top. You can let it drip down the sides too if you like. Then sprinkle on some peanuts. You can use any nuts you like, or you can leave it out. Then add on the last cake layer upsides down on top. Then spread on another half a cup of warmed hot fudge topping. Again, you can let it drip down the sides too if you like. Then place the cake into the fridge so the hot fudge topping can cool and set. Meanwhile, whip some additional heavy cream and sugar until it reaches stiff peaks. Then place it into a piping bag fitted with a star piping tip. And set it aside for now. Then cut a banana into slices and toss it with a little bit of lemon juice so it doesn't turn brown, but don't add too much because you don't want it to taste sour. Once your cake has chilled, remove it from the fridge and pipe the whipped cream all around the top edges of the cake. Then add on the sliced bananas and drizzle some more hot fudge topping on top. Then sprinkle some more peanuts on top. Again, you can use any nuts you like or leave them out. Then finish it off with some maraschino cherries. Now, if you're not serving this cake immediately, keep it stored in the fridge until you're ready to serve it. And that's how to make a banana splits cake. Be sure to check out my channel because I've got over 100 amazing recipes, and be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.